Hey, I'm Andrea, and today we'll be reading Shadow of the Centaurs by Saviour Pirotta. Someone at the gate. Late winter, early spring, 432 BC. It was bitterly cold, and the young guard shivered in his flimsy hand-me-down uniform. He was standing at a tower that guards one of Athens' many city gates, the Acarnanian Gate. It looked north over a sprawling suburb crammed with square houses and the rolling countryside of Attica beyond. In the clear moonlight, the young guard could see a road, thin as Ariadne's silken thread, winding its way between orchards and fields. It widened as it approached the city to stop outside the gate. He stamped his feet on the ground to get some warmth into them. The thought of his younger brother and sister, asleep in their straw-lined cots, and he wished that he were home too, ready to comfort them should they wake up from a distressing nightmare. There had been a lot of talk in Athens these last few months about a war with Sparta, and his little brother especially had often gone to bed anxious and fearful. Despite his brother's fears, the guard half hoped the rumors were true. Like all men under 19, he was not allowed to join in active service. He could only be a guard in Athens or in one of the many forts guarding the city and the roads leading to it. But if war with Sparta were to be declared, a high-ranking officer somewhere might turn a blind eye to his age and let him join a proper phalanx. All he'd need would be a panoply, the bronze armor all hoplites wore. If only he could afford one. So, who do you think will come to the gate? And will this guard ever join the active force?